Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. Welcome back. This is me. I'm back again. So, people have been asking me about machine learning and how is it different from any other field in computer science, any other field. Uh, you could, you could Google this and you get a lecture. I'll try to be straightforward. So, machine learning. Uh, the, the study of training machines to behave like humans. Basically, that's what machine learning is. So you train a model. There are things called model in it. Inside the study, inside the field, there are things called models, algorithms, and things like that. So you train a model to behave or do a particular task that a human being can do. So there's a lot of work that has been done in this field. You may know of Siri. You may know of what else? You may know of the Amazon thing. The Amazon thing of pushing a trolley and putting something in it, and it recognizes whatever that is, and when you take it out it recognizes whatever that is. It analyzes the food that you normally eat, the food that is recommended for you, the food that is good for your blood pressure, and all of those things. So there's a model that is trained to analyze your behavior, or everything that has to do with you. So that's something they do with machine learning. But that's not all. This is done with machine learning. There is also the thing of the facial. What is this? The recognition, facial recognition. They use that a lot to identify things. They use them. They've been using it, machine learning, for security reasons, to identify people and match people. They've been using it. So those are things that they use it for. But there are so many. They use this thing in analyzing data, but it affects you every day. Like, if you are concerned with what is it affecting you in your everyday life. So it does affect you in that way, but it doesn't mean because it doesn't mean if you are not doing machine learning in computer science, now you are left behind, or what you are doing is extinct, or anything like that. Or in any other field, it's useful to know or to collaborate with someone that knows it in your field. If you deem it useful, you have to go in deep depth on it, understand what it is before you try to engage in it, because it's a different field. It's better if you collaborate with someone who's a professional. But if you're in computer science and you're not doing machine learning or deep learning, it's a subset of machine learning or artificial intelligence. It's not that you're left behind. It's just a field that can help other fields in a way. Not all of them, but some other fields. So if you're a programmer, you are a programmer, you are useful. But just know that you have to train yourself to evolve, learn new things, because you don't want to be left in the stone age. You don't want to be left in the stone age. If a program or an algorithm can be written to write some codes or do some things that you are doing, you have to evolve, learn something new, because there are always multiple things coming that are new. But machine learning is not the end of all careers. It's actually an extension of careers. A tool that you may use or may not use, is up to you. It's not the end of all careers. Yeah, it's not the end of your career. If you're looking at this, wondering what is machine learning, how does it affect me? No, it doesn't. It won't affect you. Okay, I'll scratch that. Maybe it will, but not at full force. It will affect you in the long run if you don't choose to study and you don't choose to add on your skills. I'm not saying go study machine learning, but I'm saying just familiarize yourself familiarize yourself with different things that are happening in the world. So for people who want to know what machine learning is, and oh, if you are in a particular field and you don't see the use of machine learning, I rather you perfect the skill you already have, make it better and add on it, than going to study machine learning for something that you don't need for now, because you are thinking, you are panicking, your career is at the end. No, it's not. Machine learning is useful, but to a certain degree. So peace and love, my people. That's machine learning for you. The use of it, yeah, it's not the end of all careers.